Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, we are going to learn how you can fix the Spotify shuffle play error on your Spotify application. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and let us get started with today's video. So in order to fix your Spotify shuffle play on the Spotify playlist or your Spotify application, whenever you're listening to a song, you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. So what we want to do is, first of all, simply make sure we have downloaded and installed the Spotify application to our device. If not, then you want to open a device's respective app store and then head over to the search box and then type in Spotify and download the application first. After you have downloaded it, what we want to do is we want to simply open our Spotify app and make sure that you're actually logged into your account. As you open a Spotify application, you can see that this is how the home interface of the Spotify application looks like. So let's say that I'm listening to a certain playlist on this Spotify app right over here. Let's say I play a random song over here. Once I play the random song, what the problem is that it will automatically play the next random song. It means that the shuffle play is actually turned on. So in order to turn off the shuffle play, what you want to do is, once you tap on a song, at the bottom left hand side of the screen, you will be able to see this arrow icon which is highlighted in green. If it is highlighted in green, then it means that the shuffle play for the Spotify application is currently on and you want to turn this off. So in order to turn it off, you want to simply tap on it once and remove the green highlight mark. If the green highlight mark has been removed, it means that the Spotify shuffle play has been turned off. Now, if you go to the end of the song, it will not play a random song or it will not shuffle the songs. It will play the next song, which is exactly below this song right over here. And in this way, you will have successfully fixed your shuffle play on the Spotify app. So we hope this guide video was really helpful to you. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in our next video.